Hey you wonderful people, I'm Sarah and today I'm just going to show you a really quick, easy, economical lunchbox filler. These can be done as well as sandwiches, instead of sandwiches, whatever, you know how your kids roll. So let's get started. This is just pantry staple ingredients. So in a bowl we put 1 egg, give that a whisker, half a cup of milk. You'll notice I'm using a yellow substance. This is whey. This is actually whey that's left over from me making Greek yogurt. So I just give this a bit of a stir up, pop that in instead. Absolutely use milk. If you have whey to use up though, which obviously I do, use that. That makes this even cheaper still. Eggs from the warehouse. It's about $6 for a dozen eggs. Thankfully my chickens have actually started laying this year, so yay! I don't need to worry about eggs for a while. Half a cup of milk will cost about 14 cents if you make it from powdered milk, which I do. If you're not keen on powdered milk, I'd suggest you even just use it for baking. Nobody will know. We want 1 cup of flour, just plain flour. So I usually just get the Market Club flour from the warehouse, which is $1.90 for 1.5 kilos. So that makes the flour about 16 cents per cup. I want about 3 teaspoons of baking powder, in the bowl, not on the bench, which is about 14 cents worth. And because you can't make cheese puffs without cheese, we want about 2 cups of grated cheese. I imagine Tasty would be the best. It's not the cheapest though. I usually get Edam, or Colby would be fine too. I just get Edam's, it's a little bit better for you. So 2 cups of cheese. Cheese is about $10 a block at the moment. So it'll cost about $2. So that's by far the most expensive component in this recipe. Then we simply mix these together. There's no reason you couldn't add other stuff in this. Put a bit of salt and pepper in. You could dice up some ham and chuck that in there. Put some herbs, that sort of thing in there. Bit of parsley, whatever. I'm just making them plain today. Get that into a dough ball. To dollop these onto a tray. Put about 12 of them on the tray. They don't have to look pretty. In fact, I encourage you to make them not look pretty. That's part of their beauty. The beauty is in the rusticness. Rusticness is now a word. There we go. In less than 10 minutes hands-on time. I'm going to pop them in the oven at about 200 degrees Celsius for between 12 to 15 minutes. Just judge it at the time depending on your oven, and we'll see you back here. They look stunning. They've been out for about 20 minutes. I've let them cool down. Probably recommend. You gotta scrape them off. You could use baking paper if you wanted. They don't stick too badly though. Alright, Olivia wants it on the taste test. Go on, pick one. I got one home from school sick today.
I'll take this one.
They smell so cheesy. I mean, you know that classic, if you've got cheese on toast under the grill, you know, you get that
in the
classic
microwave. This smells more like the microwave version.
As you can see, they've got all these yummy crunchy on the outside, but they feel nice and soft. It's like a very, very cheesy scone-like flavour on the inside. I mean, they take, obviously with what goes into it, it's really just, you know, flour, milk, egg, cheese. So I mean, cheese is the main flavour there. They're really nice and yummy though. I think a bit of salt and pepper in there. As I say, you could add herbs, you could easily chop up some ham, put that sort of thing in there. But considering how super duper simple they are, just to whip up, what's your consensus?
I mean, texture-wise, it's a lot like bread, sort of. It has a hint of that bready
it's not
taste
quite,
in there too.
it's a bit softer than a scone on the inside. It is like in between bread and scone, but then it's kind of crispy on the outside.
I'm out.
Is it yummy though?
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
It's slay.
It's slay. So there you go. The official word are, these are slay. Yeah. You gotta make them. Apparently they're also bussin'. Slay, bussin'. I am learning the slang. I myself am slay. Alright, she's pulling a face at me now. Gotta love teenagers. Anyway, leave me a comment down below. Hit subscribe. Make some cheesy pups. Oh yeah. Bye.